Assigning priorities within a team can be tricky, especially when it comes to avoiding conflict. But with the right approach, you can streamline decision-making and keep everyone on the same page. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign priorities without team conflict. First, start by clearly defining the goals and deliverables. Everyone on your team should understand the bigger picture and the purpose of their tasks. This helps everyone align their individual responsibilities and reduces the chance of disagreements about what matters most. Next, involve your team in the process. Don't just assign priorities yourself, ask for their input. Create an open dialogue where everyone feels heard. When team members have a say in what's prioritized, they are more likely to be on board with the plan. This also helps prevent the frustration of having tasks forced upon them that they don't believe are important. Now, use a method to rank tasks. A simple way is the Eisenhower matrix. Divide tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This way, you're making it clear which tasks require immediate attention and which can wait. For tasks that fall in the important but not urgent category, try assigning deadlines that prevent them from becoming urgent. This can help maintain momentum without overwhelming the team with too much at once. It's about pacing the workload effectively. Incorporating software to help assign priorities is crucial. There are many options out there, but I've tested the most popular ones, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you to follow along with one of the best tools. You'll find the link in the description below. It's easy to use and helps you visualize tasks in a way that minimizes confusion and keeps everyone organized. To avoid conflicts, make sure there's a clear, shared understanding of who is responsible for what. When you give team members ownership of specific tasks, they're more likely to feel accountable and work towards the shared goal. This reduces overlap and confusion, which can lead to disagreements. Additionally, being transparent about the reasons behind decisions will build trust within the team. Another key point is regularly reviewing priorities. A team's workload can shift, so reassess priorities weekly or bi-weekly. This keeps everyone updated and ensures no one feels left in the dark. It also allows for adjustments if a team member is struggling with an assignment or if a new priority comes up. At the end of the day, clear communication and a structured approach to task prioritization are essential. Make sure to regularly check in with your team to gauge how they're handling their tasks. This open feedback loop will allow you to address issues before they become bigger problems. Here's your key takeaway. Assigning priorities without team conflict is all about clarity, transparency, and collaboration. When everyone understands the goals, the reasoning behind decisions, and the roles they play, you'll avoid confusion and conflicts. Remember to use a clear system to rank tasks and incorporate software to help you stay organized. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we mentioned in the description below. It's a great tool to help keep your priorities in check and your team on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.